Now let's go through getting our air compressor set up. We're going to need our air tube, a pair of pliers, our filter for our air compressor, and our air compressor fittings. So I'm going to go ahead and take out my air compressor from the box. So now I'm going to go ahead and put on my air filter. I need to attach one of my air fittings. The other air fitting I'm going to connect to my air tube. Now that we got our air compressor configured and ready to go, we're going to go ahead and connect it. So I'm going to go ahead and bring it over to the side of the machine. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in. I'm going to go ahead and pull the power cap up to turn it on. I'm going to connect my air hose. And then I'm going to go ahead and open up my air valve. As soon as we have air pressure to the machine, the roller is going to lift up. And now I can remove my packing stops. One of the features of the Armour Laminator is a foot pedal. So let's go ahead and show you how to connect the foot pedal. We're going to go around to the rear of the machine. And we have an icon of our foot pedal. So I'm going to go ahead and connect my connector. Make it nice and tight. Now I can go ahead, position my foot pedal to where I would like it.
And that's it. Your Ally Armour G264-HA is one step closer to operation. To complete setup, be sure to check out our quick start videos for installing the heating element. We've made it easy to get started so you can get back to doing what you do best. Thanks for choosing Ally Armour, your partner in productivity.